Darin Martineau here, and in this video, I'm going to show you what I learned from Michael Skinner, which he talks about magicians and magic conventions, and he says every morning when I wake up, I do what's called the finger exercise, and this is a little flourish routine, but this is my version of that. So I'm going to perform it for you. We're going to take the cards out of the box, okay, and we'll get rid of the jokers. We don't need that. And what we're going to do is we're going to give the cards a little bit of a shuffle, okay. I'm going to give the cards some cuts. And you know what that's called, right? That's called showing off. Thank you very much. Watch. Give the cards some cuts. And this is what we call the paddle wheel shuffle. See the paddle wheel. Well, if I snap my fingers, see the whole thing was an illusion. And look, all the cards are in numerical order. All the shuffling, all the cutting, everything like that. The whole deck is in new deck order. Just like that. So this was inspired from watching my friend Michael Skinner that I met from my mentor Alan Ackerman. We used to have a magic club at the Cavalier in Las Vegas. And what this is he used to do a flourish routine, but what I've done is I made it with my full deck false, my hummingbird cut, my pivot cut, and everything else. So I hope you enjoy that. If you'd like to learn how I did this, it's in my new project called Unmasking Le Homme Masqué. So click on the link and get that now and learn this incredible flourish routine, which is a full deck false routine. Thank you.